So I needed a pair of backup earbuds that didn't sound like a tin can in a rainstorm. And the Anker Soundcore P20I blew me away. Lightweight, snug fit, and bass that made me check if I accidentally left my subwoofer on. Setup? Ridiculously easy. Open the case, hit pairing, and bam, my phone found them in seconds. The Soundcore app let me customize the EQ. I went straight for bass boosted, obviously. Calls? Clear. Battery? Solid. 10 hours on a single charge, 30 hours total with the case. I even dropped one under the couch. Found it 2 days later, still had juice. I'm not kidding. The button controls are responsive and they come with a handy carrying case. For the price, these are an absolute no-brainer. It's 2 thumbs up from me. Grab a pair and you can thank me later. Hit the link below to check them out and blast your favorites.
Thanks again for joining us here on TrendPunk, where we buy everything we review so you don't have to.